I didn't mean to hit what I hit. Now that's 3 motherfuckers dead and I ain't seen shit. But these niggas will scream with plea. But for a G like me, it's just a case. Really, you can see.
I'm beginning to feel like a rap god, rap god. Summon, I'm a doing, I'm a you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is shaking off of me and it'll glue to you and devastating. More than ever demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell off to be celebrating.